Welcome back. Another video about a recap on our day one of Traders Training Group. We're going to be talking about Japanese candlesticks and how to read the data that is inside of all of them. Right now we're looking at the 1 day, 1 minute chart. So every single one of these candles represents 1 minute of price action. We'll go ahead and zoom into a specific candle. There's two ways to read candles, whether they're green or if they're red. If it's green, you read from bottom to top because the price is moving upwards in momentum. If it's red, you read from top to bottom because it's downwards momentum or downwards price action. To read these charts and these candlesticks, there is wicks, which is this right here, and there's bodies, which is this right here. What those tell you is in this minute at 7:30 market open, the stock opened right here at 21.49 and it closed right here at 21.58. Wherever the candle body is open and close, open and close. And if we look at this red candle right here, like I said, it's top to bottom for red candles. So this is where it opened and that is where it closed. Move to 7:30, open, close. How you bring the wicks into play is when this stock opened, it opened at 21.49. You can see that over on the right side of your screen. It sold off a little bit to 21.47 before the buyers came in and brought it all the way up to a high of this minute at 21.75. Sellers then came into the market, and at the end of this minute, it ended at 21.58. And then we jumped to the next candle where it sold off for a low of this minute to 21.44, a high of this wick at 21.70, and then closed at 21.69. And that is how you read the intraday 1 minute candles. To read a 5 minute candle, you just take a 5 minute time period. So you have 7:30, 7:31, 7:32, 7:33, 7:34, and that's where the candle will end until the next 5 minute candle starts. So again, we read it. In this 5 minutes, there was a low right here of 21.44 like we established. We come up here to the end of these four candles right here, and there was a high right around here at 21.93. You can see that displayed in those two candles. And these four candles, this is where it opened right here at 21.48. So we can draw a line at 21.48 right here. And this, in the end of this 5 minute candle, it closed right here at 21.86. Now we can go right up here to the 5 minute chart, zoom out and go over to where we had those drawings at. Oops. Right here. And you can see the low of that 5 minute, the high of that 5 minute, where it opened and where it closed. And that is how you read these candles. You can do the same thing for red candles right here. See this big red candle? If we went to the 1 day, 1 minute chart, let me zoom out a bit. You can see right in that area was a bunch of red candles. The high would be up here, the low would be somewhere around this area for that 5 minute candle. You can do the same thing for a 10 minute chart, an hourly chart, or a 4 hour chart up to, you can go, if you wanted to get crazy, you could go all the way out to like a quarter, see what happened on that stock price in the whole quarter. So there's less data to go off of, but still candle wicks. Honestly, you'll probably never do that. You'll focus more on stuff like this. You don't ever have to draw these lines right here. The program automatically does it for you as you change your time frame. But that is how you read these candles, and there's more into reading these candles, like determining trends of the candles, supports and resistances. You can see I'm drawing out one right here, which was a breakout play. We'll get more into that further when we get more into the technical side of trading. Right now we're just doing tutorial stuff. So that right there is how you read Japanese candlesticks when trading.